Good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial. Today's topic nested loop. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to print number triangle pattern program. We have to display the given pattern as shown on the screen. In the first line we have to display one digit, and in the second line there we having 1 and 2. In the third line we have to print 1 2 3, and the fourth line 1 2 3 and 4 digit we have to print. Let's try to understand this in the form of row and column table. Here we having 4 row and 4 column. When the row is 1, it will print in the column 1. When the row is 2, it will start from column 1 and column 2. When the row is 3, it will print in the column 1, 2 and 3. When the row is 4, it will start from column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. Finally, you will get this structure in the form as shown in the figure. So now let's start our Java coding. Let's start with the class name, class number pattern, curly braces open for class. For the main method we have to write public static void main string args square bracket open square bracket close, main method open for curly braces, int r for row, c for column. This one is loop for the row, counting of the row will start from 1, r less than equal to equal to 4 semicolon r plus plus curly braces open. Now for the column, this one for the printing it will start from 1, and this one condition it will go up to the value r and c plus plus. This is the combination of row and column. So when the row is 1, the column will start from 1, it will go up to 1. When the row is 2, it will go up to from 1 to 2. This one for this row is for printing the numbering. Here system dot out dot print. Here we have to print the value of c, curly braces close for printing, and system dot out dot print ln for changing the line after printing every number, close for the row, close for the public, close for the class. Now compile and run the program. You can see the output 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Now we have to print the same number in different form as you are looking on the screen. That in the first line we have to give 3 space, then we have to print 1 at the right side. Then in the second line we have to give 2 space of the column 1 and 2, then you have to print the number 1 and 2. In the third column you have to give 1 space, then you have to print 1 2 3 in the column part. Then at the last fourth line we don't have to give any space, and we have to print 1 2 3 and 4 in the column part. So here we can say that the printing is starting from 1 and ending with row. That means when the row is 1, the column is also 1. When the row is 2, the column is starting from 1 and ending with 2. When the row is 3, the column is starting from 1 2 and 3 and so on. So let's start coding. So let's edit this program with the loop for spacing s equal to 3, s is greater than equal to r, s minus minus. So in the first line, first time system dot out dot print in this line, it will print the space up to 3, and in the second line it will print up to 2, third line up to 1, according to the row 1. When is the row 1, this one will go 3 2 1. When the row is 2, it will go 3 2. So compile this program and check the output. So here you can see the output. The right side, it having 3 space, first line, then 2 space, then 1 space. So let's start the another program. In this program we can see here, when the row is 1 and the column is 1, on that time we have to print the row value 1. When the row is 2, then you have to print the row value in the column part 1 and the column part 2. When the row is 3, we have to print the 3 times 3 in the column part 1 and the column part 2 and in the column part 3. In all the places we have to print the value of R3. When the row is 4, we have to print the value of row 4 in all the part of column 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remember one thing, we have to print the value of R in all the places. So let's start our Java coding and do the program. So let's edit that program. Here we have to change the row. For the row, that means when the row is 1, the column will start from 1 to 1, but it will print the value of R. When the row is 2, the column will start from 1 to 2, but it will print the value of 2 times, then 3 times. When the row is 1, it will print the 1. When the row is 2, it will print 2. When the row is 3, it will print 3. So let's check the output, compile and check the output. See the output 1 2 3 and 4. So thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.